Good morning! Time to wake up! Hello, beautiful sun! Fold the blanket nice and neat. Brush, brush, brush your teeth. Wash, wash, keeping clean. Why do we keep clean? To stay healthy. Yes, healthy and happy. Put my hat on, ready to go. Good morning, Dad. Good morning, Mom and Dad. Yummy breakfast gives us energy. Milk makes bones grow strong. Healthy food all day long. I can clean up my plate. Let's get the sheep tools. All aboard the wagon. Let's go visit the sheep. Butterflies flying high and low. See the colors glow and glow. Look, Tom. This leaf is green. And that cloud is white. Wow! A big windmill! Wheels go round on the farm road, carrying a happy load. Oh. Wait! We must cross the bridge slowly. Yes, safety first on the bridge. Hello, sheep. We are here. They look so fluffy today. Let's park the wagon here. Sweep the floor, swish, swish, swish. Clean the barn, that is our wish. Teamwork makes work easier. Yes, helping each other is fun. careful walking. Are you okay, Tom? Watch your step. Why must the barn be clean? So the sheep don't get sick. Scrub the trough, make it shine. Fresh water for sheep is fine. Don't spill the water.
What do sheep eat, Mia?
They love fresh green grass. Vegetables make you strong, little sheep. Here is breakfast. Yum, yum, yum. Come and eat now, everyone. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 Texel sheep eating. We counted correctly. Look, they are drinking water now. Water is precious. Every drop counts. Soft and fluffy, little friend. Love and care that never end. Time to brush their wool. It feels so soft, like a cloud. This sheep is white like snow. This one is big, that one is small. Snip, 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 the wool comes off. Making coats that are so soft. We are gentle with the sheep. Wool comes from nature. The basket is heavy now. But this piece is light. Light. This one has the most wool. This one has the least. Lift with your knees. Be careful. Let's load the wagon. Secure the load so it doesn't fall. Good job, it's tight. Goodbye, Bella. See you soon. Going home, the work is done. We had fun in the sun. What did we learn today? Sheep eat grass and give us wool. We did it! Yay! High five! High five!
Welcome home, babies.
Hi! Did you have fun in the wagon?
Look at the soft wool.
We worked very hard. Now we wash our hands. Wash away the dirt. Stay clean. Put things back where they belong.
I am so grateful for nights like these with my favorite people. Cheers, everyone!
Let's visit the sheep again tomorrow. Yes, we love nature.